Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and explore some different ways that you can use chalk in your landscape. The first one is using positive and negative space. I split my box into two sections just to remember that I'm going to try two different things in this box. You need to grab an extra piece of paper and you're going to use that paper to draw a cloud. Now I'm on the bottom of that piece of paper and I'm not going to try to make small tiny curves. I'm making big puffy clouds and I'm going from one side to the other onto the bottom. Now my cloud's a little bit too big for my box. I made it really big so you could see things. That's okay. Your cloud is the thing in the picture, so it's your positive space, and the sky behind it is negative. We're going to use that cloud to make our magic happen. Grab your scissors and cut out your cloud. Once you're done with that cloud, it's time to go ahead and grab some chalk. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to think about a color that will show up in my sky. Probably want to think about contrast a little bit. And I'm going to open up that chalk bin, pick a piece. Don't worry, I know they're all a little bit dusty and dirty. Grab a paper towel and wipe off that piece. Chalk bumps into one another naturally. It gets dirty. Use your paper towel to wipe it off quick. And then right on the edges of my cloud, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of chalk. Now I am on the piece I cut out. I am not on my actual paper right now. Once I get that done, I'm going to position my cloud and I'm going to use my finger to pull up and out. Up and out. And I'm going slowly around my cloud and I'm dragging the chalk up and out from the cloud. And once I pull that cloud away, you can see there's that image left over from where the cloud wanted to be. So this is a really cool technique you can use in your sky. Now for your negative space, you can grab another piece of paper, draw something. I'm going to draw a cactus. Let's pretend I have a desert for my national park. This would also be really great for if you have a rock formation or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my cactus, going really slow and carefully. Make sure it's one piece when you cut it out. And then for this one, we're not going to keep the positive space, that cactus. We're actually going to use the negative space, which is the background. So I'm going to position my cactus where I want it to be. I'm going to grab a piece of chalk. Remember, if that chalk's dirty, you can go ahead and clean it off with your paper towel. And I'm going to go ahead and chalk up the edges again. Remember, draw on your cutout piece, not your final piece. Same thing, I'm going to drag the chalk, but this time I'm going down and in with my finger. And I'm going to make sure I get everything inside that cactus nice and green. If I need to, I can go add more chalk onto my edge if I start to notice I ran out of dust. But I'm taking time, I'm doing it a couple times to really make sure I got everything filled, and then pull the piece off. And you've got your cactus. So it's kind of like a tracer or a template. Now, my hands are messy. I can use my paper towel to get any extra chalk dust off before I go on to the next step.